Are you ready for the next evolution in electric crossovers? The BMW iX is back with an exciting new look and even more power. Stay tuned to discover all the latest updates on this game-changing vehicle. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends to stay updated on the latest car news and reviews. The BMW 9 midsize crossover was first unveiled in the summer of 2021 as the production version of the Vision iNext concept, which debuted in September 2018 at the Paris Motor Show. Fast forward 3 years, and it's time for a fresh update. The new version of the iX has been spotted on the road during testing, showcasing some noticeable external changes. Built on a modified CLAR modular platform, the iX crossover is set to receive several significant upgrades. One of the most exciting changes is the increase in power across all its versions. The model names are also getting an update. The xDrive 40 will become the xDrive 45, the xDrive 50 will be replaced by the xDrive 60, and the top-tier 9M60 will be upgraded to the 9M70. Along with these changes, an increase in power reserve is also expected, promising a more efficient and longer-lasting driving experience. The official premiere of this new and improved BMW iX is anticipated to take place before the end of this year. As we wait for the big reveal, let's not forget that just last month, BMW also unveiled the new Generation X3 crossover, continuing their trend of innovative and exciting vehicle launches. The new BMW iX promises to set new standards in the electric crossover market. With enhanced power, updated model names, and improved driving range, this vehicle is sure to capture the attention of car enthusiasts and tech-savvy drivers alike. Keep an eye out for the official premiere later this year. That's all for today's update on the BMW iX crossover. If you're as excited as we are about this upcoming release, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest cars and innovations in the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.